Hello everyone. Today we're going to conduct a slightly different test. Here I have a SUNFORCE Pro Series pure sine wave 650 watt inverter that I'm testing today. Previously I was testing with this 2000 watt modified sine wave Wagon Tech inverter. And what was happening was that when I connected my transfer switch directly to the Wagon Tech, it didn't want to automatically fail over when I was running a test. So my thinking is that it doesn't like the modified sine wave and it prefers pure sine wave. So this is what we're going to find out today, whether this is true or not. Currently we have this inverter in standby, so it's drawing very little amperage from the battery. This is just to keep itself up and running. We can see the wattage output here is 0, and our wattage output is 0.10 there, which is the draw that the transfer switch is currently pulling. And I'm going to flip the switch right now, and you should see a transfer happen fairly quickly, and we'll see the amperage, the wattage, both amperages and the wattage here start doing something. So I hit the button here, we just failed over. We can see that we're drawing almost 200 watts. I only have two lamps connected to this right now, a 100 and a 60 watt amp. I just wanted to run the test to make sure it was going to fail over. And what we see here is now we're drawing almost 8 amps from the batteries just to run those two devices off the transfer switch. And we're pulling roughly about 1.5 amps from the transfer switch as well. Our battery voltage here went down a little bit since we're putting a slight load on this device. What we'll do next is we'll fail everything back over again and test it one more time just to make sure everything's going to work. So again, it happens pretty quickly. We see the amperage went down again. Our wattage output is back at 0 again, and our amperage to our transfer switch is almost 0, and our voltage is back up with very minimal load. So it seems that the transfer switch, which I'm transferring again, likes pure sine wave, and it's transferring quickly and pretty cleanly. Don't see any flickering of the lights or anything like that, so it looks like everything is working the way it should now. So it seems that as far as for my scenario here, what I'm testing and the way I think I might have this system hooked up when I'm done, I have to have the pure sine wave inverter, and I can't use the modified sine wave inverter for the transfer switch. I mean, I could use that modified sine wave inverter maybe in the garage or something to power up some tools. I'm not sure just yet what I will do with it. We'll figure that out when the time comes, but for now, going back to house power. And everything's failing over now, so pure sine wave is the way for me to go. Thanks for watching, guys.